Hello everyone. Today we are doing calculations on VAT. So this is the first example. The price of a Nike t-shirt is 320 rands without VAT. Calculate the VAT of the t-shirt. So one of the things is to remember that VAT is currently 15%. So if you're going to calculate VAT for 320, it's going to be your 320 rands time is the 15 out of 100, and which gives you 48 rands. So these 48 rands, it's going to be your VAT. It's a simple calculation. But if you need now a price which include VAT, which is a VAT inclusive price, it's going to be your 320 rands plus the 48 rands of VAT which you just got, and it's going to give you 368 rands. And this is called a VAT inclusive price. This is a VAT inclusive price. And how did you get the VAT inclusive price? It's your VAT exclusive price, I'll just abbreviate it, plus your VAT. It gives you your VAT inclusive price. So I just want us to look at a different calculation concerning VAT and how to calculate the VAT inclusive price. There's it's sort of like a single step calculation on how you can get straight to the VAT inclusive price, which is a price with VAT or a price which includes VAT. So this example says, calculate the price of a Nike t-shirt including VAT if its VAT exclusive price is 320. So the VAT exclusive price, it means without VAT. So how do you get the VAT inclusive price given the VAT exclusive price? It is going to be your 320 times 1,15, which will give you 368 rands straight away. And how did I get this? It's my VAT exclusive price multiplied by the 1,15. It gives me a VAT inclusive price. So whenever you're given a VAT exclusive price, you can simply multiply it by 1,15, and then you get your VAT inclusive price. This is a VAT inclusive price. So I want us to look at example C. It says how to calculate the VAT exclusive price given the VAT inclusive price. So the example here is that the price of a Puma jersey, including VAT, is 600. What was its price before VAT was added? So some make a mistake of multiplying the 600 by 15 over 100, and they get a certain value which they conclude is VAT, but it's not. And then they subtract this value from the original price. They just subtract it, which is going to be your 600 minus 90 rands, and it gives you 510. But this is an incorrect calculation. Why? Because if I'm gonna use the 500 rands, if I use 510 rands in order to get VAT, let's say I use this one and try to get VAT, which is going to be your 15 over 100, I'm gonna get 76,50. So when I add it back to this one, it will definitely not give me the 600 rands which I started with. So this will give me 586,50, which is still wrong. So how do you go about this calculation? If you are given the VAT inclusive price and you want the VAT exclusive price, you simply divide it by 1,15. So let me just write here the correct solution. You simply take the 600 rands and then you divide it by 1,15, which is going to give you 521 rands, 73913. We do know that when we're dealing with money, it should be rounded to 2 decimal places. But simply because I just want to prove this one, I'm not gonna round because it's gonna change the final value. It will have an impact on the final value. So now, what am I gonna try to do now? I want to try and multiply this figure, but for now, this is the answer because this is a VAT exclusive price. This is the price before VAT was added. VAT exclusive price. And this was the VAT inclusive price. VAT inclusive price. So you had to divide the VAT inclusive price by 1,15 in order to find the price before VAT was added. So how can we prove if this is correct? We can simply take the 521 rands, 73913, and then we multiply it by 15 over 100. It gives me 78,2608695. So this is my VAT. So when I take this VAT and add it with the VAT exclusive price of 521,73913, I get a total of 600 rands. So now this workout is correct and this workout is correct. But this one above here, it is not the way to go about calculating the VAT exclusive price. It is the wrong method, but most of the times people are tempted to use this approach. And sometimes they will ask you to calculate VAT given the VAT inclusive price. So if we're given the VAT inclusive price, you'll first need to calculate this. You'll first need to get your VAT exclusive price using this method. And after getting the VAT exclusive price, you'll just simply say it is your 600 rands minus the VAT exclusive price. Let me just round it to 0.94. So it is 600 rands minus 521,94. It's gonna give me 78,06. So this is my VAT. And how did I get that? It's the VAT inclusive price minus the VAT exclusive price. And then it gives me my VAT there. But I started here and then came here. So I need to get the VAT exclusive price first, and then I minus it back to the VAT inclusive price in order to get the VAT. Thank you.